I am working for a good company that I believe they have good standards, that they're really concerned about what the customer goes home with, that they get value for what they're paying for, that they have a good experience.
I really like my job. I like how it's hands-on. I like how it doesn't feel like the day doesn't drag on. I feel like I almost don't have enough of the day. So that always feels nice. I can't stand when the job feels like it takes forever.
I quite enjoy my job most days. There's always going to be those days when it's cold and rainy, but most of the time it's nice and sunny, it's warm, so it's nice to be outside working with your hands, kind of keeping moving. Each job is different. You get to see the city, learn where things are. It's a good time.
Yes, I like my job very much. I would say like is the wrong word. I'm kind of obsessed with it. It's my passion. I don't know what I'd do if I was not doing this.